Madam Chair, and with the indulgence of our colleagues,
Senator Joel.
in the name of fairness, Madam Chair, we have here with us General Karamat, and I also agree with Senator Jinggoy. Ayaw ho natin madungisan yung pangalan ng ating kapulisan. Ayaw din nating just draw conclusion right away na merong ganito, merong ganyan. And we have heard a lot of rumors, etc. Pero this time, may mga affidavits, may mga na-interview po tayo na lumalabas yung pangalan ni General Karamat. And yung last hearing, lumabas din po yung pictures, etc. So in the name of fairness, perhaps, Madam Chair, we can give a time and we let General Karamat also speak and defend himself. And at the same time, perhaps, if he knows anything about all these rumors that even a former PNP chief is also part of this brouhaha, Your Honors. Please.
Senator Joel. General Karamat, meron ba kayong gustong sabihin sa komiteng ito sa investigasyon namin?
Madam Chairman and honorable members of this committee, good afternoon, sir. Sir, as for the information that there was an involvement of a former chief PNP, I haven't got any information regarding that on that matter, sir, ma'am.
Your Honor, you are a police commander of PNP Northern Luzon. When the time na nagkaroon po ng raid yung PAOK dito sa Zunyuan, is that correct, sir?
No, Mr. Chair,
Hindi po kayo.
I was in the criminal investigation and director of the CIDG,
po kayo.
Mr.
CIDG
Chair.
po. Pero by that time po, may humingi ba sa inyong tulong? Or you heard about this raid, sir?
Actually, when I was duly designated as the director of the CIDG, we raided Pogo in Banban, the first time that the Pogo in Banban was raided.
Kayo po yung nasa Northern Luzon?
No,
Hindi po. CIDG
Mr.
pa
Chair,
lang.
I was the director, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, so when the time came na yung PAOK TF po ang nag-raid, wala na po kayo?
I was still the director of the CIDG, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Were you informed about it?
No, sir.
Did they ask help from you? Did you give any advice to PAOK?
I was din on leave. That's the reason why maybe I was not informed of the second raid in the Pogo in Banban, Mr.
Kailan
Chair.
niyo po nalaman, sir, na ni-raid na?
After I arrived, sir, from vacation, Mr. Chair.
So after you arrived, when was that? A day or two after?
Immediately after my vacation, Mr. Chair.
So when was that search? That the same day that they raided? Or
I was still on leave when they conducted the raid, Mr. Chair.
opo, nung dumating na po kayo, mga ilang araw na po yun natapos yung raid?
I think
Kahit estimate lang, sir.
3 to
a week?
4 days
3 to
after
4
the
days.
raid was conducted,
Opo,
Mr.
and
Chair.
nagbigay ho kayo ng payo sa kanila because you said from the first raid, kasama ho kayo?
Well, to be honest, Mr. Chair, I was upset why I was not informed.
Okay.
It was a slap on my face as the director of the CIDG, and they used my men in that trade, and they didn't bother to inform me, so I was upset. But I understand my men that they are just following orders from the chief PNP, so I helped them in their investigation. But even though, honestly, I was upset, and I confronted the chief PNP why he didn't inform me of that trade. So
Who was
and I
the chief
offered
PNP?
General Acordaden, Mr. Chair, sir.
You said you were upset. You claimed that it was a slap on your face. Pero nagbigay tulong pa rin po kayo. Is that correct? Anong tulong po yung binigay ninyo?
I directed all my investigators to assist in filing the case against that in that Pogo operation.
Sir, sabi nyo slap in your face because your men actually, yung mga tao po ninyo, yung kasamang nag-raid. Pero ang pagkakaalam ko po, Madam Chair, ang CIDG NCR po ang tumulong sa PAOK, hindi yung sa regional. Is that correct?
CIDG NCR is still under my command,
Yes,
Mr.
but
Chair,
not
sir.
from the central zone.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, and this happened under your nose, so hindi nyo po alam ito when it happened?
I don't know the wisdom of the chief PNP and the PAOK why they didn't inform me on during that operation. Maybe because I am on leave, Mr. Chair.
Maybe you're on leave or maybe, Your Honor, Madam Chair, it is because meron pong pangamba sa inyo that you are part of this. Is that something that you thought about, sir?
I talked to the then former chief PNP that if he doesn't trust me, he could immediately relieve me from as director of the CIDG. I confronted the former Chief PNP, kung wala ka ng tiwala sa akin, alisin mo na ako.
And when you confronted him, did he mention na kaya hindi ka in-inform is because you might be part of this? Hindi niya sinabi yan.
Ang sabi niya lang, nawala sa isip niya dahil nasa lib ka naman. So, hindi ko na alam kung sabi niya, sir.
Sir, ano yung connection po ninyo? Kasi last time pinakita yung picture niyo with JP Samson. Anong connection niyo po sa kanya? Magkaibigan po kayo?
Actually, JP Samson, nung unang tinanong yan sa akin sa Kongreso, hindi ko matandaan yung pangalan. But when pinakita yung picture sa screen, I remember him, and then pinakilala lang sa akin as GP Taba or GP Baliwag kasi siya po yung may-ari ng Baliwag Litson. And that was the first time I saw him, Mr. Chair.
So hindi kayo matagal nang magkakilala? Wala kayong pinagsamahan na anumang perhaps business interest or anything, sir?
No, Mr. Chair. That was the first time I saw that guy, Mr. Chair.
Sir, may mga last na lang po, Madam Chair, no? May mga binanggit before na when it comes to issuing a search warrant, merong advice from PAOK, from CIDG, I don't know who it is, advise them not to apply for a search warrant to raid Zunyuan, Pogo in Bamban. Are you aware of this, sir?
I do not, I'm not aware of that information, sir.
You will never advise anyone, specifically PAOK, not to apply for a search warrant in Zunyuan, Your Honor. Just for the record.
Wala pong ganyan, sir, at hindi ko po under ang PAOK. So, ang director ng CIDG have no power or no reason to
Yes,
dictate
that's
the
why
PAOK.
my question is,
Yes.
there is no advice whatsoever coming from your
That's correct,
end.
Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and perhaps
Salamat.
we'll ask the PAOK later on,
Yes.
during my time. Thank you.
Salamat, Senator Joel. Yes, General Karamat, gaano po kayo ka-close kay Mayor Kalugay? At gaano katagal na po kayo magkakilala?
Mayor Dung Kalugay was a former policeman, and we
Yes.
were assigned in the same police provincial office in Lingayen, Pangasinan. And hindi pa yan, Mayor, kakilala ko na po, Mr. Chair.
Gaano katagal na po? Ilang taon na?
Mga 10 years, I think, or maybe more, Mr.
more.
Chair.
So higit pa po sa isang dekada.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Alright po. Mayor Kalugay, kayo naman po, anong link nyo kay General Karamat?
Bilang superior ko po, ganun lang po dati.
Superior nyo?
Hindi naman po kami nagkasama po sa isang opisina, pero
Oho.
assign po ako ng Provincial Police Office po.
Okay. Yung sinabi din nila na PPO Lingayen, Pangasinan.
Tama po, Madam Chair.
Okay po. Magkakilala po ba sina General Karamat at si Go Huaping?
Hindi ko po alam, Madam Chair.
Or naging topic po ba ng pag-uusap nyo ni General Karamat si Go Huaping?
Hindi rin po, Madam Chair.